Good morning, children. Now daily we are going to construct one graph. Do it once in your graph book. Now question number 2. Construct a histogram for the marks obtained by 600 students in 7th class annual examination. You have to construct again a histogram. Okay. In the previous class, we have learned how to construct a histogram. Now, here, the thing what you are going to learn here is marks are given, children. Marks are given. You have to calculate the class interval. You already know how to calculate class interval when the class marks are given. Now, this is 360. 400, 440, 480, 520 and 560. What you have to do is, you have to check what is the difference between the successive class interval. That is 400 minus 60 is 360 is how much? 40. 440 minus 400 is how much? 40. 480 minus 440 is 40. 520 minus 480 is 40. 560 minus 520 is 40. So H is equal to, H is what? Difference of successive class marks. Okay. So the difference between the successive class marks is equal to 40. So what we have to do is, we have to find H by 2. Okay. H by 2 means 40 by 2. 40 by 2 is nothing but 20. Okay. Now what we have to do is, we have to subtract 20 from this. That will be our lower boundary. 360 minus 20, 340. 360 plus 20, 380. 400 minus 20, 380. 400 plus 20, 420. 440 minus 20, 420. 440 plus 20, 460. 480 minus 20, 460. 480 plus 20, 500. 500 plus minus 20. 520 minus 20, 500. 520 plus 20, 540. 560 minus 20, 540. 560 plus 20, 580. Okay. These are the class intervals. And number of students are your frequencies. So here, what you have learned to find? You have learned to find how to convert marks into class intervals. Okay. This is 100, 125, 140, 95, 80 and 60. Okay. Now we will construct a histogram. As usual, you have to draw x-axis, horizontal x-axis, vertical y-axis. Here you have to write the marks. Here you have to write number of students. Okay, children. Now, first of all, we will write what is there on the x-axis. On x-axis, we have 340, 380 like that. Okay. So here it is 340, 380, 420, 460, 500, 540, 580. Okay. So these are the reading on x-axis. Now on y-axis, what we have to do? Number of students. Seeing number of students, children, it is Number of students are 100, 125, 140, 95, 80, 60. So we can take highest is how much? Highest is 140. So we can take 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So we will take 10, 10. Okay. This will be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, highest is 140. Okay, you should draw a curve like this to show that it is containing from 340. Okay, now our first frequency is 100. So we have to draw the bar. We'll write the scale, children. Now this is marks, this is number of students. Okay, we'll write the scale. What scale we have? This writing scale is very important, children. On x-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 40 units. Okay, on y-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units. Okay, now we will construct a histogram. So first one is, that is 340 to 380, frequency is 100. So we will draw a bar on 100. Okay, next. Second, it is 125, 125. So after 20, we will take half between 120 and 130, that will be 125. Okay, again we'll draw a bar. Next is 140. 140 means here. Again we will draw the bar. Okay, next is 95. 95 means 90. Between 90 and 100 you will get 95. Okay, next is 80. Then lastly we have 60. Okay, so here we have completed a histogram when class marks are given. So all these things are important, children. You should write what is x-axis, marks is on x-axis, number of students. You have to do the graph work with the pencil. I am doing it with sketch so that it is visible in the video, children. So daily we are going to study one graph, practice it, and also you have to practice for your upcoming term examination. One 8-mark question is compulsory, children, usually in final exam also, in essay 1 exam also. So graphs are very important and it will be there in your higher classes also. Okay, so this all for today. See you tomorrow for the next session. Thank you.